G'day everyone, Ali here. Well, today I'm just coming to you with a bit of a shopping haul that I have received from Alina Craft from AliExpress. Now, I don't normally buy from AliExpress anymore. I just a little bit over some of the products that they have and just would rather go to the suppliers that do sell the good quality stuff. So, because sometimes it's not good quality at AliExpress, but I don't mind buying stuff at Alina Craft in saying that, because her stuff is pretty unique. So I do like Alina Craft's stuff. So first of all, I'm just going to show you some stencils that I've just received. So these ones here, and I do love a stencil. So these are really good. These are like a peacock sort of a stencil and some abstract sort of stencils, so I'm going to be looking forward to playing with those. Now, those stencils for a 4-pack were $3.18, and that's in Aussie dollars, so looking forward to having a play with those. I also bought some paper. Now, this is probably the first time that I've bought paper from AliExpress or Alina Craft, and I did like this one because it's jungle. There is 24 sheets in here, 12 designs, so you get 2 of each. The paper is 160 GSM, and I thought it was quite a nice paper pack. So I do like the images on the vintagey paper. So there's 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those. So I'm thinking that I could make some tags out of these or put them in some scrapbooking, which I've been doing of late. So I do love a bit of a vintage feel. I do love those balloons. So you can cut them up, like you could only use that part there if you wanted, or you could use this part. It's just endless. I got that paper pack. Now, this paper pack was $4.87, so I don't think it's too bad when, like, we buy paper packs out here for a 6x6 inch size, so this is a 6x6 for about $10, so I think it's pretty good value for money at $4.87, and they're loose pack as well. They're not seamed at the top, so, or glued at the top like a normal paper pack. That's that one there. I also got some keychains, and these are brass, and I got these ones for $3.46. So they do come in a pack of 8, and they do measure 6 centimeters when they're pulled apart like that. The keychain is 3 centimeters, and of course it comes with a little, like a metal jump ring. Well, it's not a jump ring, but you can actually add some other stuff to it, like charms and all that. So I do like the vintage brassy looking feel to it, so I am going to be looking forward to using those, and they were 8 in a pack. Now, I did buy a die from Alina Craft, and it's a fern leaf, and I've cut it out, and it cuts out beautifully. I do love that one for decorative cards or scrapbooking or even art journaling. I could stick that in as well. That one there was $2.78, and don't forget, this is all in Aussie dollars. Now, my other stuff that I got was a whole heap of stamps. So, because I did really like all the stamps that Alina had. So what I'll do is I will actually put a photo up as well, so in saving taking this out, so I'll just keep talking. But this first one is Enjoy Your Special Day. It's a birthday sentiments. I think it's really, really good. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentiments, and I love putting sentiments inside cards, so I find it really, really hard to find really nice sentiments in a nice script as well. So I saw these and I thought, yep, I'm going to get these. Now, sometimes the stamps at AliExpress aren't a really good quality, but when you can't find a lot of sentiments out there, I think this is great. Now, that one there was $3.70. I've also got the Father's Day sentiments, so this is really, really good as well. So it's got 4 different types of sentiments, and they would fit lovely in a 4.5 by 5 inch card or an A6 card. Once again, I've got the photo up so you can actually see what they actually say on the sentiments. So that one there was $5.14. I've got this one, another birthday greeting sentiment as well, because I don't think you can have too many birthday sentiments to put inside your birthday cards. So this one here, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentiments plus a small one. Best wishes on your birthday as well. That one there was $3.70 as well. So good value, I think, for these type of sentiments. Like I said, I can't find a lot of these types of sentiments out on the market. It's all right making a birthday card and creating a really nice birthday card on the front, but I like to finish it off by putting a sentiment inside as well. So that's really a nice one there for $3.70. I've got another one here, and this one is a get well soon. So this is really a nice one. So you get 5, 6 sentiments in there, and that's $3.70. So as you can see in the photo, and they really do have a lot of nice sentiments and meaning to them as well. So another one for $3.70. And my last sentiment that I got was a wedding one. So because I don't have too many weddings, but this one was really lovely as well. So this came with 5 sentiments. Once again, some really nice script as well to put into the middle of the card. So I do really like this as well. That one there that was $3.42. Now, my last 2 ones, I got these ones here. Now, I have a little Shih Tzu, Molly, and I saw this one and I thought, oh, yeah, I really do like that one. But it does come with a lot of other doggy sentiments as well, but I did really like the Shih Tzu. And of course I will be making a scrapbooking album for Molly, which I did for my last dog, poor Charlie. He was a Maltese, and so Molly will get a scrapbooking, and I'll include a lot of those. So it says I love my Shih Tzu. Now that one there was $5.14, and this stamp set is, well, each one would roughly be about 5 centimeters square. So there's some that's smaller at 4 centimeters, that's 5, and then you've got smaller ones. So, but the whole stamp set is roughly about 19 centimeters by 19 centimeters square. Now, last but not least, I saw this one, and it's all about unicorns. So, Born to be a Unicorn, Unicorn Magical Party, Dream Like a Unicorn, Unicorn Power. So, I thought this was really nice to put into like a scrapbooking album. So my granddaughter Maya Ray, I'm creating a scrapbooking album for her, so because she's a girl and unicorns you associate with girls, don't you? So I am going to be using some of these in her album. Now that one there was $5.14, and as you can see in the photo there are 16 stamps that you can actually use, so with all different sayings. So I do really like the script stamp as well, so it's a very nice script on these as well. Now Alina did give me a couple of freebies because I did order a fair bit. So these are for shake cards. So I've got one here, little penguins and snowflakes and that, so I might make a Christmas card for someone special as a shaker card. And I've also got the little envelopes as well, so I might actually create some happy mail with these envelope shaker cards as well. So they're really, really sweet. I don't know how many would be in here. I'm not going to count them, but I thought they would be really nice to create a shaker card with for Christmas. So I'll do that coming up and see how that goes. But I hope you've enjoyed my small haul of Alina Craft today. I'll link her shop down in the description box down below. So I hope you have enjoyed this haul, and until next time everybody, happy crafting. See ya!